The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation, original tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes, eliminated the Ukrainian command post close to Novotavrichnoye in Zaporozhye region. Ukrainian units near Novaya Kamenka, Petikatki and Novaya Kaluga in Kherson region, Yampol, Novoukrainka and Kirovsk in Donetsk People's Republic, Izumskoye in Kharkov region, 67 artillery units at firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 167 areas. 5 Ukrainian munition depots were annihilated near Kupyansk-Uzlovoy and Dvurechne in Kharkov region, Trifonovka in Kherson region, Torskoye in Donetsk People's Republic, and the city of Nikolaev. An oil terminal storing diesel fuel for the Ukrainian Armed Forces military equipment was destroyed close to Alexeyevka in Dnepropetrovsk region. A fuel depot was eliminated near the village of Smela in Cherkasy region, where more than 100,000 tons of aviation fuel for the Ukrainian Air Force was stored. In the past 24 hours, air defense systems shot down 15 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles close to Staritsa, Ishchenka, Borozenskoye, Tokarevka in Kherson region, Lubimovka in Zaporozhye region, Yegorovka, Staromayorskoye, Blagoveshchenka in Donetsk People's Republic, Verkhnya Duvanka, Kuzemovka and Ovorotnovka in Lugansk People's Republic. Moreover, 6 projectiles of the American HIMARS MLRS and 1 HARM high-speed anti-radiation missile were intercepted close to Kakhovka in Kherson region and Svatovo in Lugansk People's Republic. In total, 325 airplanes and 162 helicopters, 2,323 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 5,997 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 874 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,517 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 6,720 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. Kiev regime continues its provocations aimed at creating a possible technological disaster at Zaporozhye nuclear power plant. During the day, the artillery of the armed forces of Ukraine fired more than 30 artillery shells targeting eastern outskirts of Energodar and the territory adjacent to the nuclear power plant. The strikes were carried out from the Ukrainian-controlled areas of Nikopol and Chervono-Grigorovka in Donetsk People's Republic. The hostile firepower has been neutralized by Russian artillery's counterattack. There are no casualties and destruction at the station. The radiation environment remains normal.